Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader, and it's Thursday, December the 18th. This is the chart of the day. We're going to talk about a current and new portfolio holding. Once again, we've owned it a couple times. Sequenom, SQNM. I just like the way it's been acting lately, and I also like the fact that it is up against key resistance that, if broken, could lead to a real spurt in the stock. Take a look at the kind of declining wedge that we had here, or declining channel off of the 29 high in October, that then rolled over and made lower lows until it finally bottomed around the 12.5 area last month. But since then, it's gone up about 80% in a steady channel. Broke out above the moving averages a week and a half ago, consolidated for a couple of days, held it, and then the key day for me was 4 days ago when it popped, and it's been moving higher ever since. Now today, at 21.32, the high for the day, it equaled or this double top area around the same level. I'm anticipating that if it does break through, that it moves quickly towards the 24 area, my initial trading target. But beyond that, a test of the 28.9 zone is likely. And then what I'm looking for on an intermediate basis is a move that takes this to the high 30s, perhaps even 40. So that could be nearly a double if we get the right volume and technical patterns. But underlying technicals, take a look at the unbalanced volume alone. And it's at the high for the year when the price is substantially below the high for the year. A positive divergence there. So keep your eyes on Sequenom. By the way, if the market does pull back and we get a pullback toward that 17-18 zone, I'd definitely be a buyer on it. But I would add to any move over, say 21.5, should create acceleration on it, and we'll go from there. Intraday chart today, 1 minute chart. Take a quick look. Had a terrific morning. It gapped up, pulled back, and filled the gap, and then ran from the 20 area up to 21.35 or 32 or so before the late pullback smacked it along with the market. But notice how it quickly recovered from just under 20 to almost 21 before pulling back into the close. Heavy volume, by the way, in the last 10 or 15 minutes or so indicates to me there's some people stepping in to buy it on, and this stock has the likelihood of moving higher. So, as usual, we'll be keeping an eye on Sequenom. By the way, here's a long-term chart. A terrific parallel channel, which also shows a move up towards the 40 or even 45 range over the intermediate term.